Hello everyone. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl V again, and today I am making chocolate covered strawberries. These strawberries are going to be white on white strawberries. And so this is the type of chocolate that I am using today. The Glendale white vanilla flavored melting waffles. I already have washed my strawberries, put my toothpicks in them, and melted my chocolate. Okay, so the chocolate and everything is ready to go. So we're just going to jump right in and start making these beautiful chocolate covered strawberries. So let's go. And this spot is here because I let the strawberries, they were still a little wet when I placed them down. So it's all good. We're just gonna drizzle. Make sure you're lifting up the leaves on the strawberries so that they're not getting all the chocolate on them. And try to get it to the top around where the leaves are as much as we can. And this is very simple. It's just white on white. This is a quick way to make some delicious strawberries. It's really basic, really quick, and they come out really, really, really beautiful. So again, I'm lifting the leaves up around the strawberry and dipping. Dipping and shaking all of the extra chocolate off. So you want to just keep going until you get to the amount that you want. I have 12 here because I am going to make a dozen. Got some chocolate there. I want to get it on any chocolate that's already been dipped. So I'm just shaking. Make sure it's nice and smooth. I've already warmed up my chocolate to drizzle. So we're just going to keep dipping and going. These strawberries come out so beautiful when it's like the same color on the same color, like white on white, and milk chocolate on the milk chocolate, or dark chocolate on the dark chocolate. Make sure that we are getting our strawberries all the way in the chocolate. All the way in the chocolate. There it goes. Beautiful. And that's what we're going to do. And just continue to dip. We have these last 3 to go. And then we will start our drizzle. This chocolate, the Glendale chocolate, is a very good chocolate, and it is really easy to work with. I've been trying to find a I tap that one a little bit, that'll be fine. I've been trying to find the 32-ounce bag for a while now. I see a lot of them around the Christmas time, but have not been able to find them lately. Went to Sam's Club. They say they don't carry them at this time. Well, the one at my local area, saying that they're not carrying them until around the Christmas holiday, which I'm like, why just the Christmas holiday? But I don't know. But so far, okay, we have all of them dipped, okay? So we're going to let them dry, and as those dry, we're going to come back and we're going to drizzle. So we'll be back. Okay, so we're going to get back into it, and we're going to start drizzling on our strawberries. So I'm going to take the scissors. Already have our white chocolate melted. See, we're going to do a test drizzle. It's not coming out quite yet. So let's try that again. Sometimes I cut it a little too small that it won't come out, so I have to cut it again because I don't want to cut a big hole. So I try to be real easy with it. Okay, let's try again. See how this drizzle looks. It's still a little too light for me, so I am going to cut it just a little more. That should work. Let's see. Yeah, I like it that way. So I just try to take it easy when it comes to cutting the bag for drizzle, because sometimes I cut it too big and sometimes I cut it too small. I'd rather cut it small because then I can, you know, keep going and doing it. Anyways, we're going to go ahead and start drizzling. So we're just going to start our drizzle. Let it drizzle a little first and then go cross. Okay, let's try that again. Like I said, this is a part that I enjoy doing, but I have to get my cutting part of it right. So let's see here. Okay. Let's try again. All right. Let's get this drizzle going. So you want to kind of let the drizzle drip a little and then start going across back and forth. Okay. I feel like I'm having a hard time with this drizzle today, but we will get it. We will get it. Let's try it again. There it is. It's really simple, but you just want to squeeze it before I don't know why I keep doing this, but it's just a V thing. Sometimes I get like that with this stuff that I just keep going. And we will get all 12 of these strawberries done. I feel like it's because this thing is, I cut it kind of crooked. We're almost there. We always have our bumps in the road, but we'll get there at the end. Okay. Last one. And that is it for that one. So that is the outcome of the strawberries, just white on white. It took a lot of drizzle to get it on there today, but I think it's just the way that I've cut it. I just cut it too small, and the thing, it just keeps doing, getting a little stuck there. But other than that, this is the outcome of the strawberries. They came out really beautiful. And I'm going to get ready and box them, and I will show you a picture at the end of the video. Thank you. Bye.